Hi there, I'm Elaine from On the Same Page Together. Today we're going to go through the NESTS and Burrows unit from the Good and Beautiful. This is part of their Science for Little Hearts and Hands series. So it's designed for kiddos in the, let's see, does it tell us? It does not, but it's right here. Preschool and early elementary years. So pre-K to like grade 2 kind of thing is what they designed it for. So let's go ahead and just take a look at that parent guide. I typically do these live. But my phone has a better quality camera for you. Oh, this is kind of glossy. Hopefully this is not going to be too bad. So I'm going to try and do this in one take and get it posted for you because time with editing I do not have. So here's the table of contents. We've got 30 lessons and it's got, we'll see them. I'm going to show you every page. We'll just see those as we go. It includes the parent guide, big book of science, stories, and lesson audio narrations that I believe you can find on the app, homeschooling app. Let's see, Good and Beautiful homeschooling app. Yep. So that's where you will access them. And let's see, we've got activity supplies here. Now, as you're making your shopping list and going through your house to see what supplies you need, I would recommend checking out that activity, making sure it's something you can do before you add something you don't have to your shopping list. So as we jump into it here, we have lesson 1, Animals in the Night. You got your opening story time, so you'll go to the story book for that, and then discussion and optional activity. And then we go into another lesson that has opening, and here you have an audio narration. Continues on, a discussion and an optional activity. So it follows the same basic, whoa, this one's got a lot going on. I was gonna say it's the same basic layout, but this one changed it up on me. Opening, and then you're just going ahead and talking, and you've got an activity. Oh, create a desert diorama. And then the Savannah opening story time, discussion activity. Nests and Burrows opening audio narration. An optional activity after discussion. So similar layout where you have an opening, either story time or an audio narration, a discussion, and an optional activity. So they're short and sweet lessons. They're great for those younger audiences, but they're also great to do like with your whole family. You do not need to exclude your older kiddos when doing this. They will learn plenty. This looks like a great intro to things like ecosystems, the ecosystems unit. So if you want, if you're new to homeschooling or in a hard season, just trying to make sure you get something in with your kiddos, this is a great way to have short, simple lessons that are still packed with great information. And then they can be like, this covers multiple types of topics, right? Multiple of the older units. So it gives you a taste of them that you can then go to and dive deeper in later. Like a little bit of marine biology here, but it's habitats. So that's all ecosystems. Ocean animals can be marine biology. And then forest habitats. I know I saw something about frogs. That's in the reptiles unit. Tracks. Drawing a squirrel. Rodents. Backyard birds. They have a whole bird unit. They even have like a bird watching book, I believe, still. They might still have that. Birds that hunt. So there you go. You're getting a little touch of birds and ecosystems. And you can then explore more in the more robust unit if you're interested. I do have the entire Little Hearts and Hands series of units on my channel, so I will link to them below if you are interested in checking them out. And then I will also link to the more in-depth older units that I am kind of seeing touched on here in case you're interested in checking those out. Oh, that's fun. If you have high schoolers, I do have a flip through of the high school biology course as well that I will link just in case you have a wide range of kiddos you need to cover. So there's the parent guide. Now let's take a look at the Big book of science stories. There we go. We've got, oh yeah, I'm sorry, it's a little glossy, but there's a table of contents, creatures of the night, and then you kind of get, oh, beautiful illustrations. I'm gonna move a little quicker here because it's the stories, fun facts about nocturnal animals, the savannah. If you need me to, oh. If we haven't met yet, wow. If we haven't met yet, we are a Christ-centered home of learning, and on this channel we talk about all things family. We like to share what works for us as we strive to encourage you on your journey in life and family. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up. You can leave me a comment. Any kind of engagement helps YouTube know that this is valuable and worth sharing with others who are also looking for it. And I'm always happy to answer any questions. Fun facts are great. Those are such cute stories. Little tree farm, cute. I'm going to hang on to the book now. Wonderful webs. Interesting. Escaping chicken. Cute. Oh, it's getting a little harder to show you every page at the end here, but I am determined. Alrighty, so when you order from The Good and the Beautiful, you can get free shipping whenever you buy 5 books from their bookstore. So when I ordered this one, I picked up a puffin on the Rocky Coast, a Joey from Down Under, a panda in the bamboo forest, which are all part of this animal adventure series. And then I picked up facts about trains and planes, which is also part of a series. And I'm not going to flip through them until I gather the entire series. So over time, when I make orders, I will slowly collect these series, and then I will make a video to kind of preview it. If you're interested in other book series and stuff that I've previewed, I will link a few in the description box. Let's see, how could I do that? Maybe I'll make a library playlist and link that in the description box where you can see what we have in our library and a different look at them, because these are level 2As, so they fit right in with the level 2s here. Then I also got the history activity book, year 1 for K through 2, which is something that's in their bookstore, which I found interesting. We're going to be doing this history year 1 this year, so I bought an extra activity book for my other kiddo that might be interested in coloring along with the older ones. So again, anything, if you know, video requests, any questions, anything like that that you have, leave them down in the comment box for me, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.